So alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat crashing. If your Snapchat keeps on crashing every time you try to load it, yeah, be sure to watch this video until the end and basically make sure that, yeah, of course you have to do this. You must have an Instagram app installed within your phone. So if it keeps on crashing, I want you to do the following. One of those basically is to make sure that you first clear what is basically you clear it from the recent apps and try to remove it from there. That would be the first option I would want to do if I'm the one who's if you have, yeah, just clear it like that, remove it from there, and then try to load it again and see if it's going to load very well so that it stops crashing. Try to do that now. Basically that is the first option I would recommend for you to do. Then the second option is basically if it keeps on crashing again, if this doesn't help, try to go to Google Play Store or any app which you have installed your phone and try to go there, and if there are any updates of Snapchat within Google Play Store. Usually this problem comes up when those who have not been able to install the updates that have been being put there on the app. Just make sure you update your Snapchat just like that. That would be the other solution. If it keeps on crashing every time, try to update and see if really it solves the problem. And maybe if you're picking value in this video, just make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the family. Then another solution I would think that would help, try to restart your phone, and basically try to restart your phone and see if the crashing stops. So basically if you do those and doesn't work, doesn't help you, basically I would think there would be a problem with the Snapchat system. So basically that's the video. Please subscribe, hit like if you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.